Did you notice the travel sentiment spike? With a sentiment score of plus 0.24 and momentum hitting plus 0.30, this isn't just noise. It's a significant uptick compared to our historical baseline. This suggests a growing enthusiasm for travel right now, likely driven by recent announcements or seasonal trends. Our API provides a comprehensive snapshot of this sentiment landscape, returning key metrics alongside rich semantic clusters that capture the context behind the numbers. Imagine you're building a travel recommendation engine. You can leverage this data to tailor suggestions, highlighting trending destinations or popular activities that resonate with the current positive sentiment. For more insights and to get started, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make data-driven decisions together.